Hi everybody, welcome to Rhyme Time today.
We are doing the word family UG, and our song today is Snug as a Bug. So we are going to try to come up with these words with the UG. We'll do some making words after this, after we sing our song, and then we'll do some writing. So let's try to brainstorm some UG words. Ready? We've got bug.
Snug.
Eliana, go ahead.
Snug.
Andrina.
Bug.
Anyone at home? Let's listen. What do you got at home? Snug, bug.
That's a good one.
Okay.
Hug. Rug.
Rug.
Hug.
Hug. At home? Say it out loud so we can hear you nice and loud. All right. Let's
Mug.
mug.
Tug.
Tug.
Rug. I already said that.
Let's read our poem.
Tub.
This goes to Hush Little Baby. So it says, let's read it. Ready?
Chug.
Sleepy and snug as a bug in a rug. Give me a kiss and I'll give you a hug. Pull up the blanket, give it a tug. Listen to the night train singing chug, chug a chug.
Chug.
Let's see if we notice some words in this poem. Ready? Let's look at the first line. We've got sleepy and snug. There it is, snug as a bug in a rug. Give me a kiss and I'll give you a hug. So we've got snug, bug, rug, hug. Good. Pull up a blanket, give it a tug. Tug.
I would say like louder on the bird.
Okay, ready? Listen to the night train singing chug, chugga, chug.
Chugga, chugga, chug.
Okay, let's sing our snug as a bug.
Sleepy and snug as a bug in a rug. Give me a kiss and I'll give you a hug. Pull up the blanket, give it a tug. Listen to the night train singing chug, chug a chug.
Ready? Here we go. Oh, sorry, my fault. And now we go.
Sleepy and snug as a bug in a rug. Give me a kiss and I'll give you a hug. Pull up the blanket, give it a tug. Listen to the night train singing chug, chug a chug.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, friends at home, we're ready to do our making words with the word family. UG. You'll need, of course, U and G. And then we'll need these letters R, H, T. Whoops. You'll need a P, L, B, S, N, and C. So first, let's just do our sounds of the letters on the bottom. Ready? Let's start with your R. Ready? No, can you bring that down, please, Andrea? We're just going to do the sounds. Okay, point to the next letter. Okay. T, P, O, B, S, N.
Or
All right, here we go. The first word, I'd like you to bring up one letter to make the word bug. She was sleeping as tight as a bug in a rug.
like the song says.
Let's say it. Ready? B,
Bug.
bug, bug. Change one letter to make rug. Rug. Let's say it. Ready? Rug. Rug. All right, bring the H up. Take away the R and bring up the H. Let's see what that says. Let's try it. Ready? Ugh. Hug. All right, now I'd like you to make the word tug. Ready? Hold on, Janie. You have to wait for us. Ready? Ugh. Tug. The next word is a kind of a dog. It's a pug. Change the first sound to a P. Ready? Let's say it. ugh, pug. Add one letter to pug to make plug. Plug.
What does plug mean?
It's an action. You can actually, it's a verb. You can do it. You can plug something into electrical socket.
Oh, plug.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Or it can be like when something gets plugged like in your drain, right? And the water can't go down.
Oh.
All right, let's say it. Ready? Pull, ugh, plug. Change one letter in plug to make slug.
Those are gross.
Let's say it. Ready? Slug, slug.
Slug.
Change one letter in slug to make snug. That's right. Take the L away. Good job. Bring up the N. Let's say it. Snug. Snug. And last word today, you're going to have two letters that make one sound. The sound is ch, ch, ch. Two letters say ch, 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 like cheese or chin. You've got it. That's the CH. Let's bring it up.
C-H.
Let's see what this says.
C. Where's my H?
Let's say it. Ready? Ch, ugh,
Oh, I always chug my water.
chug. Okay, we're ready to do our writing. So, okay, go ahead and get out your pencil and paper, or you can have a marker and eraser, whatever you'd like to do. Okay, friends, we're ready to do our writing. So, get ready with whatever you need. Here we go. Our first word, we're going to do the same words that we just did for making words. We're going to write them now. The first word we made was bug. Let's sound it out. Bug. Bug. Watch your G. Make sure it goes way down. There we go. Rug. Ugh. Rug. R-U-G. Good job. Hug. Ugh. Elena, watch how you're holding your marker. I know it's funny.
This is trying.
We still gotta try to hold our marker the right way though. Hug. There we go. Alright, the next word is tug. T. Ugh. Tug. You wanna go at the top? That might be easier.
Yeah.
Pug. P. Ugh. Pug. Good. Alright, if you can spell pug, you can spell plug. Here we go. Pull, ugh, plug. Nice. Okay, just change the first sound in plug to make slug. Slug. Slug.
It's hard writing it.
Okay, it is hard. The next word is snug. Sn.
Actually, I'm
Ugh.
going to top.
Okay. Snug. Snug. One more. Ch, ch, chug. Ch. Ugh.
A lot of words.
Yeah. All right, let's read those together, starting with bug. Here we go. Bug.
Rug.
Eliana, can you, hold on. Can you not do that with your marker because then we can't see? Ready? You can point to it to the side though. Let's try it again. Ready? Bug. Rug. Hug. Tug. Pug. Plug. Slug. Snug. Chug.